Hey! Sorry. Who's that? I don't know. Brunch for me is something that you have after a heavy night out. You just want a nice, fatty, eggy breakfast. So what we're doing is we're going to cook a bit of brioche poached egg and a black forest ham, kind of sabayon.
We're in a safe environment.
Yeah, I feel safe. You want to get some chives from the garden?
I'm just going to pull out one or two of these.
Who do you choose? I think someone that's making an impact out there should be the chef, or someone that's happy, someone that's, you know,
Not beating
setting an example, you know. Back to the real food. I'm cutting brioche, he's cutting chives. We're just gonna knock it out. I've got the smallest knife in the world. Big chunk of brioche. Big and chunky, buttery, beautiful brioche.
Let's go.
So I'm making a black forest ham sabayon.
So let's take a butter loaf and fry it in butter. Why not?
So I'm making a hollandaise really, and then we're gonna fold a nice black forest ham cream through that.
And that's a good way to use your sort of skins and offcuts and all the little bits and bobs that you don't want to fry to add more flavor to the dish.
And then we've got a black forest cream that we're just gonna fold through it really. That's pretty badass. Okay, poached eggs, let's do this.
But do you eat breakfast at home in the mornings?
I normally go to 4 and 20 on my day down the road, and we smash poached eggs.
The best is actually still a braai broodjie from the previous day's braai. If you, yeah.
Let's do the sabayon on there and then just put the chive bacon all over the top of this. Yeah.
So we're going to open a new breakfast place, the two of us. No, we're not. We're just doing 4 people a day.
High carbs, high calories, just chives, black forest ham.
I want to go give this butcher a hug.
And then chive flowers. Oh,
That.
get the out of here. Let's go eat this. Breakfast is probably like the hardest shift at any restaurant, I reckon. It's people are more picky about eggs than anything else in the world, I think.
I mean, it's if you're going to give people an option on fried eggs how you want them, then yes, it's difficult. If you just tell them I don't fry eggs, you just do poached eggs and omelets. That's it.
Cheers, bud. Come eat this.
I just bit my tongue. It's that nice.
Please just come have a bite. Yes.
Yes.
It's ridiculous.
I got egg yolk stuck in my beard.
Yee-hoo.
Cheers.
What a vibe.